If you host your website on Squarespace, did you know that you can also have your online course or membership on Squarespace and avoid paying literally hundreds of dollars to a third-party platform like Teachable or Thinkific? Hi, I'm Olga. I run Applet Studio. It's a premium Squarespace template shop. I also have a range of courses for web designers and business owners, and I've been running a course business for 6 years now. And at first, I hosted my courses on Teachable, later moved to Thinkific. But right now, I am seriously considering moving all of my courses to Squarespace because it's almost free to do so. Let me show you how I will set up Squarespace courses on my own website, and also how you can use it for free if you have Squarespace subscription, and how you can add students to your courses on Squarespace even if you have a different checkout system. There are two ways to create a course on Squarespace. First, if you go to Content and Memberships, Products, and click Create Course, the difference between a course and video on demand and member site is the design. So course gives us this cute functionality with lessons and chapters and the ability to upload videos. Another way to do it is to go to Website, Pages, and create a page and not linked. Let's say we create a page, go to Content and Memberships, and create a course. And let's pick this design. So now we have a course. One tip that I have for you, and I have been tweaking this design, is that when you go to Site Styles, Fonts, and Assign Styles, and click somewhere here so that it brings up the course settings. So this is a list layout. I suggest you switch all of these settings to paragraph. It looks much cleaner this way. And let me navigate back and edit the layout so I can change the layout. So right now it's list. I can switch it to grid. I can also switch the colors here. And same thing here. I already did that. But when you click over to fonts, assign styles, and click somewhere here, it's gonna bring up the styles. So this says course overview, grid layout. I switched everything to paragraphs, and I only left the actual course name as a headline. Now this is intentional. It looks much cleaner this way. Same goes with when you go inside a lesson. So these are chapters. Let me go to course content, and let me add like a new lesson. Well, actually, I'm gonna close and discard and edit the existing lesson. So here also I want to switch everything to paragraph styles, except this maybe. So I'm gonna click over here and I see, some things are not. So chapter name, custom, I want this to be paragraph. Course name, or the course name. And this is going to be a paragraph. And then I can tweak the sizes so that all looks cohesive. So I'm inside this lesson, and what I'm gonna do, I'm going to remove the video. So in order to add videos natively to Squarespace, you're gonna have to pay for yet another subscription. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go here and just remove this video. This is a workaround that you can use. Lesson settings, video, show lesson video. And then inside, I'm going to just add a section. Add a section, add a blank section. turn it to white, move it up slightly, and add an embed block. Add a block, embed, and add a code snippet here. I'm going to copy my embed code from my Loom video. And here we go. We have a lesson, a video lesson inside, and turn the height to small and save. Now that you've built all of your course content and organized all of your lessons, now you need to add students here somehow. And we're going to add a pricing plan for this. Let's say course. And this can be a fixed amount. It can be a subscription, or it can be free. I'm going to choose free, and I'm going to create this pricing plan. And then here, I'm going to paywall all the content. You can paywall lessons only and show the course homepage, or you can paywall all the content, but because it's free, people can just sign up, right? If it wasn't free, they would go to checkout, pay for it on Squarespace, and get added to the course, like so. But if it's free, they can just go to this page and sign up for free, and you will see all the members that you're getting. And the course link is this custom URL course. So what if you wanted to sell your course through some other platform? For example, you have ThriveCart and you have automated emails going on. So without using Zapier, without using any automations, you can simply use a custom URL for your course. Let's say course cohort 2. And when you go to SEO settings, hide the page from search results. This will remove the page from your sitemap. And this way, this page is exclusive. Nobody knows the URL. And you can send this page in an email and have people sign up for free. Now, when we go to pricing plan, and let's say course, you can add additional products to this pricing plan. And you can actually put this pricing plan on a separate page. So cancel. So let me add another blank page. Pricing. Let's name it pricing. And here I'm going to add a section, also blank. And I will add a pricing block. So I'm going to add design, and I'm going to disable the price. And here it is. This is like a custom page that you can send people to so they could sign up. And on the paywall page, we can actually remove the sign up from the page, like so. So they might know the link to the course, but they don't know the link to the sign up page that we just created. And you can send this automatically from your email marketing platform, or in a thank you, put it in a thank you email in your checkout platform. And this way you can add students to Squarespace without using the Squarespace's own checkout system, and also without having to pay for a higher plan because you're not using the video on Squarespace, using Loom or YouTube or something else. That's everything I have for today. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.